Hello, come on in. You're ringing the doorbell. You're a clever cat, aren't you? You want to go out? You know it's raining out there, don't you? Yeah, yeah. Are you sure you want to go out? Are you sure? Well, either go out or come in. Okay. You want to go in now? So this is the doggy doorbell, although it's now a catty doorbell. Put their nose on there. Needs to be a wet nose. Dry noses don't work. That'll be no good for me. That's the outside one. This is the inside one. And then that is the actual ding dong bit. There you go.